Hey guys, what shall I cook tonight? Let me share how to cook Japanese dishes. Please do it in this way. Let's get started. Grate ginger and garlic. Since the chicken will shrink when fried, cut it into large pieces. Make a marinated sauce for the chicken. Sake, soy sauce, mirin, grated ginger and garlic, marinate the chicken with this sauce and wait for 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Coat the chicken with flour. Like this. First, deep fry the chicken in the oil of 320 degrees. In order to make it juicy on the inside and crispy on the outside, I recommend you to deep fry twice. Second, deep fry the chicken crispy again in oil at 360 degrees. Make salt-based lemon sauce. Cut the white part of green onion and use only outside. Use whole lemon. Squeeze juice out of the lemon. Mix chopped green onion and other ingredients. Chopped garlic. Chicken broth. Sesame oil. Salt. Pepper. Finally, 100% lemon juice. Mix all ingredients well. Cut the white part of green onion into fine. Soak the green onion in the water for 10 minutes. This process removes some of the hot taste of the green onion. Cut some Italian parsley and tomatoes. These are topping of the plate. Done.
いただきます。ごちそうさまでした。